Alright fellas, wait for a long time to do this video here. You know, it's supposed to be a rollout. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, blah, 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 blah. Summer 2018. Pretty soon it's going to be fall 18. I can't wait. I want to head straight to the OEM.
You should go back to recovery. I know your ego is hurting just knowing that all of your fans discovered me. He like, damn, he a younger me. Except he dresses better and I'm ugly, always making fun of me.
Bam! There it is. That's right, the engineers. These are the Neji-Saurus VP-1 screw removal pliers. And what separates these from all the other pliers that an engineer makes, there's the teeth, that's what engineers are known for. These are locking. Just like a regular old vice grips. Cocked and locked. All I gotta do now is find a crappy old screw. Let's go do that. And I almost forgot. You can get these bad boys too. All I gotta do, follow that link in the description, that Amazon link. It says Neji-Saurus VP-1. Pick you up a pair. You don't have to wait. What the size is, give it a turn in. Clamp her down. Twist. It does not matter what the fastener is. That's a Torx. It don't matter. These Neji-Saurus can grab it all. Nuts, bolts, pan nuts, rusted nuts, damaged nuts. Show you real quick how to size that screw up. You just get it to where it almost fits on there. Tighten it like a quarter or a half of a turn. Slide it on there, clamp it on, twist. That's all it takes. And then it's just a matter of twisting her out. Huh, even had the blue Loctite on it. Alright, sheetrock screw here. There's the size. Now we're going to turn in on this. I have a turn. Center her back up. Click her down. And roll it right out. And see, Phillips head. It doesn't matter what the head is. The Neji, she eats all. Okay, so you guys probably have some of these guys laying around. If you're old school, you do. The old, put them in with a set screw Allen sockets. These right here, Industro. So, yeah, these guys are old. And you know what happens to old stuff? They get wallered out, get nastified. And what you do once you saw a little piece of it off here, a little piece here, a little piece here, a little piece here, you get down to a nub, and you ain't got nothing else left. Well, that's all wallered out. Grab your Nejis. No, let's loosen her up just a hair, cause did I get it? I think I got it. I think I got it. Woot woot, poot poot. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not amazing? Look at how little that guy is. It just ate that up. See where that shiny part is on that screw? That's all it had a hold of, was just the tip of it. Just the tip. That's all it takes. Slide it out, put a new one in. You're rocking and rolling. Sharp. Good old Japanese steel, chrome moly, 62 Rockwell hardness. Some of the toughest teeth out there. They do also have wire clippers. Here's a little piece of You know, mild steel. It's baling wire is what it is. So, yeah. I mean, these guys aren't great big. You're not going to cut a 16 penny nail in half, but I mean, they do cut. Money. So what do I think about these little guys? Well, they are little, but I think for what they're designed for, the old screw extraction, it's what a lot of guys have been missing. The old vice grip style locking pliers. You know, the jaws on these things are excellent. I pulled that little bitty set screw out of that Allen socket. I think that was even smaller than what they said that you could get out of this. They are pretty impressive. I do like them. I really like them. I like them so much, I bought them myself. Get more work done today if you don't wait for tomorrow. Everybody knows tomorrow never comes. Go ahead, do yourself a favor, do me a favor. Click that Amazon link down there below. Pick you up a pair of these bad boys right here. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed. They just feel so good too. That rubber handle, it's nice and grippy. Engineer, PZ-64 VP-1 Neji-Saurus, straight from Japan. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit. Alright, many of you may know there's another company out there big on telling you about their 4-year warranty. I can tell you what, buying these for the middleman price versus buying these at wholesale price, don't even question it. You're not going to need that 4-year warranty. It's like whenever you go to, I don't know, Harbor Freight or Walmart and they say, hey, we got a 2-year protection plan for another $10. You ever buy that 2-year protection plan for $10? No. You just pay what they're asking for. Walk your happy ass out the door.
Ride a shotty cause I got a road that's dope. It's a fast road when your idols become your rivals. Yeah. Never hesitate to say it to your face.
Now, these guys right here, these are going to be my new everyday carry. Matter of fact, I'm sticking these right in the pocket.